Hey everyone, I'm doing this video to show how I refurbished this corner on this dresser here. I'm using this black plastic because I was hoping that it wasn't going to stick to that because Bondo pretty much sticks to everything, so I was put that down so it wouldn't stick. So I'm just grabbing the Bondo filler and putting it out on the cardboard. Then you take the hardener and you use just a little bit. The more hardener you use, the quicker it's going to harden. So you fold it in, mix it up so it's all the same color, and then it's ready to use. So literally I'm just trying to get it to fill in where the old corner broke off. And then I realized that I needed to shore up the sides, so I'm going to go and get a couple pieces of cardboard. And then literally I'm just trying to sculpt it into a corner size shape. And I'm going to use more than I need to. It's better to have more than less, that way you can just sand back to where you need it to, and instead of making more Bondo and letting it dry, it's easier if you just sand it. Just add more than you need. Here's a close-up. So now I'm just going to let it dry. And after it's dry, the just tore off the cardboard. It's not a big deal, but that black plastic worked perfectly. It didn't stick at all. So now the majority of your time is just going to be sanding it back into the original shape of the drawer. I started with 80 grit, and I decided to hand sand it so that way I could monitor the progress better. Because you don't want to over sand, you want to take your time and make sure that you get to the right depth to match the existing wood. So I just took my time. I think I started with 80 grit and then worked back until it was the exact shape that I wanted. And this drawer had a curved spot where the dovetails met the face of the drawer. So I just took a dowel and wrapped it with 80 grit and then got it sanded down to where it matched the existing wood. And here it is. I still have to take it down with some 220 and round out these corners. Just the wear and tear on this old dresser, it didn't have sharp corners, so I'm just going to use some 220 and get the corners rounded down, and then prime and paint. And here it is. You can't tell that there was any repair done at all after you prime and paint it. Bondo's perfect for doing that.